Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at US100, US30, and XRP as usual. Um, just to zoom in, I've highlighted a lot of my zones within the charts, just to actually get into seeing some demand and supply areas which have been actually rejected. But to zoom in on the 4 hour, I want to actually point out something. So we're seeing a very massive decline in the markets right now, currently as we speak. So because Trump has obviously been in office now, we're going to see a lot of volatility within the markets moving forward. So to try and um, just get the basic fundamentals of like what's really going on. Tariffs are about to be a really big thing in terms of trade amongst different countries. So we could possibly see like insane fluctuation based on also trade deals and trade policies that might change between different countries. And this will affect companies within uh, the top 100 NASDAQ NIC and also US30 as well too. Crypto could also be quite a major one to actually consider as well too in terms of policy changes as well. As you know, some companies could be storing crypto and also trying to just actually sell uh, their their coins just to actually try and meet costs in terms of the different policy changes that might erupt within their day-to-day business operations. So, but to not get into like the real nitty-gritties of that, let's just actually hop into the technical analysis. So we see here we had a nice push up through with the channel. As you can see, yeah, really nice bullish momentum. And then a double M was created where price actually sunk and is now at this level. We'll probably touch that level. So the turquoise lines that I just highlighted here are really important zones that I was looking for in terms of high demand with rejection. But as you can see, price is actually really strong in breaking a lot of these zones. So I could be expecting really push straight down into 20,741.6, just to actually show in a lot of like bearish momentum within the markets, as you can see. And then, yeah, we looking forward into the week. I'm just going to be seeing a lot of volatility now that Trump is actually within power, and as he is within office right now. So when you actually zoom in, um, zoom out on the weekly. So I'm just going to restart that. Zoom in on the weekly. We're seeing a lot of wick rejections around this area. I'm just going to highlight this around this demand area right here at the bottom. And this area here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks, and literally rejected this line of support, which we're currently approaching right now. And then we have a second demand zone, which um, is rejected quite often. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks that had rejected this zone. So on the weekly, These two zones are very much so important to actually take into consideration. Although we had 4 wicks that really tested this support, which we were actually going to be approaching now, I do see this as very much so of a demand zone, where might see price actually fluctuate and come and touch this area. Yeah. So instead of actually naming this being a demand zone, let's say this is more of a supply, since we're in a bullish trend. Supply. And this will currently be our demand zone, where we'll be actually placing in a bit of our entries in the sense of creating bearish momentum moving down. So yeah, I'm very bullish, I'm bearish on NASDAQ, as you can see. Moving into US30, same will probably apply. So yeah, as you can see, same lines as shown as is. This zone is a very crucial zone where we saw resistance reject this area, broke through with a really large candlestick up top. Support was created and then pushed straight up, and then price came tumbling back down, tested it as a new support right now, went back to this zone, which is a demand area, and came and touched this area and broke through. You can see also there was a little bit of rejection showing this bearish candlesticks, but then we saw a large, really nice big bullish candlestick pushing straight up. So with this, we're probably going to be expecting a little bit of a retest on this area, which will be our demand zone. When we'll be retesting this area right here. And yeah, we could potentially maybe retest this area and push straight back up. So just taking out my pathway will be within, yeah, and then possibly breaking this high that is around this area and pushing straight to the upside. This high was at 44,880. So yeah, if we don't necessarily push up, this was the next level where I will be predicting that price will actually come back and touch, which is 41,704.40. And then within this ranging here through here, we could see some bearish momentum just pushing straight down, retesting it in this area and pushing down to reach this level right here. And then XRP. Yeah, so XRP, I'm just gonna actually just clean my charts here just so that I'll just do a quick analysis. So XRP is at a very crucial zone right now. This one I'm really just going to necessarily dive into as quick as I can and actually seeing a lot of the things that I'm visualizing. So this area could be a potential zone in which we could retest and push straight to the upside, or within this area here. So I'm just going to duplicate this down in between this area here. As you can see, this is actually, let me place in my zones just so that you guys can be able to see. So as you can see, there's a lot of areas that have been really heavily respected, but the ones that I'm actually visualizing based on their wicks is these three. So it's this here where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks rejections, And then in between, in the middle of this area, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rejections within the zone. So now that we're seeing XRP actually just move into this area, and we're seeing a lot of bearish momentum actually creep in, actually, as we visualizing currently, like right now, I will be predicting that price will actually come back and touch this area, which is 2.4844. And then what we can see is from this highest top resistance support, new support in that area, then we have a breakthrough and we shoot up to highly likely chances of it being that will get to maybe 4. That's just my assumptions. So yeah, we're currently in a bearish trend within a lot of markets, but the only reason being is because there's a lot of fundamentals that are taking place, which are affecting movements within the markets. And whatever it is that affects the stock markets has also quite an effect on crypto as well too. So be on the lookout. There could be really potential opportunities to buy at a really discounted price with crypto, as well too with US30 and US100. But this is just educational purposes that I'm actually just giving out information on, not financial advice. But I do hope that it does help in the sense of somebody just evaluating the markets and seeing where they can be able to place in their entries within certain zones on the markets. But yeah, wish everyone a productive day and a productive week. And please do like, share, and subscribe and comment if there's any comments that you'd actually like me to touch up on, and we can move forward in the process. Thanks.